So yung i-discuss natin for today is yung simple concept lang ano yung quadratic inequalities. So yung quadratic inequalities, para din yung quadratic equation, but instead of using equal sign, ang gagamitin natin yung mga inequality symbol. So in case meron tayong ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, ganito yung standard form ng isang quadratic equation. Now, sa quadratic inequalities, instead of equal sign yung ginagamit, ang ginagamit natin mga inequality symbol. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong mga form na ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ganyan. It's either greater than, less than, equal or greater than, or equal or less than. So, ito yung quadratic equation. Basically, equation gumagamit ka ng equal sign. Quadratic inequality, gumagamit ka ng mga inequality symbol. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa may quadratic equation, is ito lang yung standard form na sinusundan. Sa quadratic inequality, meron kang 4. So, ito yung una, or ito yung isa sa kanila. Yan yung pa yung isa, and then pangatlo, and then pang-apat. So sa quadratic equation, meron ka lang ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ganyan lang yung quadratic equation. Sa quadratic inequality, meron kang ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, less than 0, ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0, ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0. So ito yung mga sinusundan natin sa quadratic inequalities. Now, before moving on, i-discuss muna natin ano yung concept ng greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. So pag sinabi greater than, let's say 5 is greater than 3. So pag sinabi greater than, yung number na nasa may side ng opening ng inequality symbol, siya yung mas mataas. So nung elementary kayo, sinasabi ng teacher niyo yung elementary sa ibang mga schools, kung ano yung daw yung kinakain na number, siya yung mas mataas. So basically, kung nasa yung opening ng inequality symbol, siya yung mas mataas na number. So therefore, this is correct. 5 is greater than 3. Vice versa. Ganyan. 3 is less than 5. This is still correct. Kasi yung opening ng inequality symbol mo, yung mas mataas na number. Or, in other terms, or in other words, yung tinuturong number siya yung mas mababa. So, kung ito yung tinuturo, dapat ito yung mas mababang number. Kung ito yung tinuturo, dapat ito yung mas mababang number. Now, paano naman yung 5 is equal or greater than 3. Is this true? Tama ba yan? So, titignan natin yung tinuturong numbers yung mas mababa. Therefore, this is correct. Titignan mo dapat yung tinuturong inequality symbol yung mas mababang number. Now, ano naman yung equal sign sa ilalim? Pwede bang ganyan? 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Pwede ba yan? So dahil meron kang equal sign doon sa ilalim, ang sabi na kasi dalawa yung pwede mangyari. Pwedeng mas mataas or pwedeng parehas. Yun yung ibig sabihin yung equal or greater than. Pwedeng mas mataas, pwedeng parehas. So this is still true. Kapag may inequality symbol ka sa ilalim, pwedeng parehas. So, 3 is equal or less than 5. So this is still true kasi tinuturo niya yung mas mababang number. So this is correct. Now, paano naman yung 3 is less than or equal to 3? Paano naman yung 3 is equal or less than 3? Pwede ba yan? Well, of course, pwede din yan. Kasi ang sabi niya, dalawa yung pwede mangyari. Pwede mas mababa yung 3 or pwede parehas sila. So in this case, 3 is equal or less than 3. Pwede sila kasi equal sila. So if you will answer this question by true or false, all of them are true. 5 is greater than 3, true. 3 is less than 5, true. 5 is greater than or equal to 3, that's true. 5 is greater than or equal to 5, that is also true. Dahil mas equal sign sa ilalim. So pwede mas mataas, pwedeng parehas. 3 is equal or less than 5, still true. 3 is less than or equal to 3, that is still true. Kasi pwedeng mas mababa or pwedeng parehas. So kapag meron itong nakitang buhay ko sa ilalim, ibig sabihin pwedeng parehas yung values nila. So, next. So doon sa may practice B, or practice A, ang nakalagay doon is to identify kung yung equation is a quadratic equation or quadratic inequality. Sabi niya, kapag quadratic inequality, write A. Kapag hindi, otherwise, write B. So, paano mo ma-identify kung quadratic inequality yan? So, of course, quadratic inequality yan kapag yung symbol na ginagamit mo dun sa position ng equal sign is quadratic inequality o inequality symbol. Halimbawa, 4x squared plus 7x is greater than 0. And then, 3x squared minus 8x plus 4k is greater than 0. So, yung 4x squared plus 7x is greater than 0. Ito yung quadratic inequality. So, lalagyan mo siya ng A. 3x squared minus 8x plus 14 is equal to 0. Since equal sign yung ginagamit mo dun, this is a quadratic equation. So therefore, lalagay mo is B. Even if x plus 4 is equal to 0. So dun pa lang sa may symbol, alam mo na linear equation yan. Kasi equal sign yung ginagamit. So therefore, this is still B. Now, paano yung 5x minus 3 is less than 0? So, gumagamit ka ng inequality symbol doon, tama? So, ang tanong, quadratic inequality ba siya? Well, ang sagot doon is hindi. Kasi unang-una, titignan mo yung equation kung quadratic siya. Di ba, malalaman lang natin ang quadratic yung isang equation kapag yung pinakamataas na exponent is 2. So, dito, ano ba yung pinakamataas na exponent mo? This is only 1. So therefore, hindi siya quadratic. This is linear inequality. So ito quadratic inequality, ito linear inequality. So hindi siya quadratic inequality, therefore you will write B. So ang titignan mo lang yung equation kung quadratic, tapos ano yung symbol na ginagamit, kung equal ba or inequality. Equal sign ba or inequality symbol. So ganyan. So ito quadratic inequality, ito quadratic equation, ito linear equation, ito linear inequality. So, yung mga quadratic equation is B, linear equation B, linear inequality B. Ito lang yung pwede maging, ito lang yung instance na pwede maging A. Pwede din less than A pa din, less than or equal A pa din, or greater than or equal. Yan quadratic inequality pa din yan. So that's for practice A. So just for a review ng quadratic inequalities, yung introduction niya, meron tayong apat na quadratic inequalities na expression. So yung una, pwedeng ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. That's kung ganyan yung format, o kung ganyan yung form, that is a quadratic inequality. Pwede din ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. Pwede din ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0, and then ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0. So technically speaking, or kung gagamitin mo yung common sense mo, quadratic expression siya, pero instead na equal sign yung ginagamit, inequality symbol yung ginagamit. Di ba ganito yung mga quadratic equations, pero instead of equal sign, ang gagamitin mo, mga inequality symbol. So ganyan. So kung paano mo sinisimplify yung mga quadratic equations, ganoon din sa may quadratic inequality. So makikita natin merong mga may mga ganyang example. So, ang gagawin mo, i-distribute mo muna, i-simplify mo muna para ma-identify mo kung quadratic siya o hindi. Kasi may mga inequalities na hindi naman quadratic tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung mga linear inequality. Yung pinakamataas na exponent nila is 1. So again, titignan mo yung exponent, dapat yung pinakamataas na exponent is 2. Kapag mas mataas na 2, hindi siya quadratic nun.